Hermano, me preguntan lo siguiente. ¿Para qué conozco como local te llama Oranjestad Playa? Oh!
Zet op wat ik wat baseren als je reply, tio.
Oranjestad Playa?
Shit, that was my thing to retake this.
This is your Sly Night tour guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic stick.
Aruba is part of the Dutch kingdom and has been since 1636, when the Dutch won over these territories from the Spanish, heading towards the end of the 30 and the 80 Years' War. It's well documented that most of the European wars would overlap each other during the colonial era. Any monarchy, republic, or company who would be the victor would get the spoils. In this case, these islands. When I say these islands, I'm of course talking about the ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, and the Triple S Islands, Saba, Statia, commonly known as Saint Eustatius, and Saint-Martin, not to be confused with Saint-Martin, which is French territory. During the pinnacle of the Dutch colonial golden era, led by the Dutch West Indische Compagnie, the ABC Islands became intermediaries of the trade between the Americas, Europe, and Africa, making Curaçao the main hub, trading port, and governing body of the Caribbean colonies. Development in those days came via mandate from Curaçao and would trickle down to the other islands, including Aruba. Aruba's role was a trading post. Want to take a wild guess as to what the main trade resource was?
Todd, I need help.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paardenbaai, or was it Playa de Caballos? I think Horses Bay is the name I am looking for. Well, at least that's what this area was called before it became the capital and got the name Oranjestad. The trade of this quadrupedal resource lasted from the late 17th till the late 19th century. Most of the current infrastructure, especially along the wharf and the cruise ship terminal, did not exist. That entire area was later dredged to add more landmass. The absence of a wharf, galley, port, or anything you could park a ship into would force traders to anchor a little bit offshore and dump the horses in the water and guide them towards the beach, thus garnering the aforementioned names Horses Bay or Paardenbaai if you speak Dutch, or Playa de Caballos if you speak Spanish. 7-to-1 was the mare to stallion ratio because, according to legend, the mare was easier to handle in comparison to the stallion. Honestly, I know nothing about horses, just that you're not supposed to stand behind a horse. You will definitely regret it. Guys, that's all the time we have for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Links to our previous episodes, social media platforms, and website are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to G's Bahari YouTube for more Sly and Night content. As always, once a guest, always a friend.
This is your Sly Night tour guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic